Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials: internet stable, device charged, and Gmail updated. Next, sign into your Google account. If you use two-step verification, have your phone ready. Once signed in, open Gmail settings in the web or app and enable a map. This allows other mail apps to sync your messages. Make sure the account sync toggle is on in device settings. These first actions let mail clients access labels and folders. Proceed only when each prerequisite shows green. Now connect your client. Pick a map for consistent multi-device syncing or use Exchange for push sync on supported apps. Add a new account and enter email plus password. When offered, choose OAuth for secure token sign-in. If your account uses two-step verification, create and paste an app-specific password instead. Then set incoming server to a map. Gmail.com, port 993 with SSL/TLS and outgoing SMTP. Gmail.com, port 587 with startles. Once configured, test sending. Finish by confirming label and folder mapping so sent, drafts, and archive align between devices. Set sync frequency to your preference and allow initial synchronization time for large inboxes. If something fails, sign out and back in to re-authenticate. Clear the app cache, or remove and recreate the account as a faster reset. Also verify Google account activity, available storage, and a map connection limits. These often block sync. If all else fails, temporarily disable two-step, re-enable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.